Model 1 problems on limit concept. In this model, we substitute the given variable value in the given function to find the limit of the given function. Let us see first problem here. Limit x approaches to 3, x plus 3 equals to. Here x approaches to 3 means we substitute x as 3 in the given function x plus 3. So that is equal to 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Now check the second problem also here. Limit x approaches to pi, x minus 22 by 7. So substitute directly x is equal to pi in the given function. Gives pi minus 22 by 7. By using this process, all of you try to solve the same model problems here. Third problem is limit r approaches to 1 pi r square. Fourth one is limit x approaches to 4, 4x plus 3 by x minus 2. Fifth problem is this one, and sixth problem is limit x approaches to 0, ax plus b by cx plus d. Seventh one is limit x approaches to 1, ax square plus bx plus cy, cx square plus bx plus a. Here a plus b plus c not equals to 0. Eighth one is limit x approaches to 0, cos x by pi minus x. And the ninth problem is limit x approaches to 0, x secant x. So to find this limit value, secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. So that's why 1 by cos x.